Hi, Sandy McTeer here with another Craft Minute for DecoArt.
One of my favorite things to use when painting on fabric with my DecoArt SoSoft paints is the SoSoft Fabric Medium. You can use this medium to get some really cool watercolor effects, but it also helps your paint glide and move on stiff fabrics like this canvas tote bag. You want to paint that on, and while it's still wet, pick up your paint, and it just glides and moves like butter. Water would have that bleed right outside the lines. This medium is keeping it right inside the area where I painted the medium on first. You can thin it out again to get watercolor effects and a nice light painted area. Again, that's with the DecoArt SoSoft Fabric Medium. I hope you'll give that fabulous product a try next time you break out your SoSoft paints to paint on fabric.